Guys, today we learn about how to fix video is not playing on Max video player. The video is lagging, freezing, or not opening or not working properly. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, open settings. Click more settings and open app manager. Here is the all app that is installed on my mobile. Now open Max player. Click permission and allow all the permission. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, playing video on Max Player and check it is working. If still it is not playing video on Max Player, then click storage, click clear cache and click clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, video is playing properly on Max Player. So this is how you can solve your problem if video is lagging, freezing on Max Player. Thanks for watching.